Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a price action analysis on volatility 10 index. Alright, as you can see right now we are on the daily time frame. Alright, and currently price is on a downtrend. Alright, so I'm going to step down to the 4 hours time frame for more analysis. Right now, here on the 4 hours time frame, I'm going to put in some trend line in order to properly identify our trend. Right now you can see that the trend is a downtrend, right? And as you can see here on this area, the price has broken above our trend line. Right, it's going to like maybe go up, come back for retest, and then continue to the upside, or it's going to find, or this resistance is going to reject it, and the downtrend is going to continue to the downside. Right now, this is what I want to do. I'm going to step down to the 1 hour time frame. Now here on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to put in some resistance zone. Right, so there is a resistance zone here. Right now, there's a resistance zone here that price might come back to get some support from. Right now, if price found support here, is going to like bounce to the upside. All right, but the major trend of the market right now is a downtrend, judging from the 1 hour time frame. Right, so I'm going to put in our resistance zone here. Now you can see that there is a resistance zone here, right? That price might find resistance and then continue the down trend movement. All right, so if price find resistance here, it's going to like get reject from here, and then the downtrend will continue. All right, so majorly right now in the market we are selling. All right, so for those of you that do counter trend trading, you can see that there is a short buy here to the upside. All right, I might decide to take the buy, but let's look for further confluence that will support our buy to the upside. Now you can see that there is a support area here, right, that is supporting this movement right now to the upside. Right, so price might come to get rejected around this area and then continue the bounce to the upside. Right now, as you can see, now this is the 50-minute time frame. Right, so here on the 50-minute time frame, you can see that there is a resistance here, there is a support here. All right, around this area right now, that is bouncing price to the upside. All right, so there, and you can see this big engulfing candlestick here. Our green candle here is giving us a buy candlestick. All right, now this is a straight signal for a buy here. All right, this is a signal for a buy to the upside. Right, for those of you that want to take the buy to the upside, all right, you can buy from here, from this area now to this area. Right, and around this area we are expecting a buy again to the downside. Right, there is a buy here, there is a sell here. The reason why I said there is a sell there, you can see from the 4 hours time frame, from the daily time frame, that we are in a downtrend. Right, we are in a major downtrend now, so there's every possibility that price might find resistance around this area here and then sell to the downside. All right, so this right now is the plan of action. By the time you are watching this video, you check your chart. If price is still around this area, you can still buy to the upside, and then when it gets to this major area of resistance here, then you look for your sell to the downside here. All right, you take your TP around this area, or you let it get to our 1 hour trend line here, and then you TP. All right, so this is the plan of action for volatility 10 index. Okay, so in case you find this video interesting or valuable to you, make sure to give the video a like, and if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful video or educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Do make sure to join, and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so I think I'm going to be ending the video here now. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.